Hello to pros and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is your boy Alvendril. In this short video I'm going to show you how to enable secure boot on a MSI motherboard. Can be a laptop, can be a desktop. As you know, secure boot is one of the requirements for Windows 11, or maybe you just want to make your machine more secure. So for that end, I'm going to turn on the machine. I'm going to start pressing the Del key, as you can see me doing in the keyboard. You don't have to press it that many times, just how I do it. And this is the BIOS, right? So yours might look different depending when you bought your product. And at the bottom, you can see the characteristics of my machine. So yeah, from here, we're going to go to boot over here, and we're going to select boot mode select. As you can see, it's legacy plus UEFI, so both are working at the same time, and I just want secure boot. So I'm going to select UEFI over here, and now every time the machine is booting up, it's going to check for signatures of what is booting up. So that way, things that are not signed cannot boot, and you avoid things like rootkits, for example. From here, we go to save and exit, and we're going to click on save changes and reboot. And after that, your machine is going to have secure boot enabled. So maybe you want to watch one of these videos now. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, leave it in the comment section below. And as you know, as always, I'll see you in the next video.